Once upon a time, in a small, sunny town, there lived a little boy named Timmy. Timmy was known for two things: his insatiable appetite and his mischievous ways. He was 8 years old and had a reputation as the Lunchbox Bandit because he couldn't resist eating other children's lunch at school. Every day at lunchtime, Timmy would sneak around the cafeteria, his eyes scanning for tasty treats. He would snatch sandwiches, gobble up cookies, and slurp down juice boxes faster than a hungry squirrel. His stomach was a bottomless pit, and he never felt full. One sunny day, as Timmy was about to dig into another unsuspecting lunchbox, the strict head teacher, Mrs. Thompson, caught him in the act. She marched over, her arms crossed and her eyebrows knitted in disapproval.
"Timmy,"
she scolded.
"this has got to stop. It's not right to take other children's lunches. You need to learn a lesson."
Timmy hung his head in shame. He knew he had pushed his luck too far this time. Mrs. Thompson decided on a fitting punishment. Timmy had to spend the entire week helping the school cafeteria staff prepare lunch for all the students. At first, Timmy grumbled and complained, but as the days went by, something magical happened. He realized how much effort went into making those delicious meals. He saw the hard-working lunch ladies slicing veggies, baking fresh bread, and pouring love into every meal. He even got to decorate the lunchroom with colorful drawings. By the end of the week, Timmy had learned an important lesson about sharing and empathy. He apologized to his classmates and promised never to steal their lunches again. His classmates forgave him, and they all enjoyed their lunch together, laughing and chatting. From that day on, Timmy became known for his kindness and generosity rather than his greedy ways, and every now and then he would surprise his friends with a tasty treat, making sure to share and spread the joy of friendship and good food. Timmy had learned that it was always better to share than to take, and he grew up to be a kind and thoughtful young man.